So we know that we've got digitorum, extensor compartment 4, we've got listers, we've got EPL in extensor compartment 3. We're going to roll the probe round and we're going to start to see that distinct appearance on the left of the screen there of the distal ulna. Okay? And the gap in between the radius and the ulna is your distal radioulnar joint. And there you can look for effusion, you can look for synovitis, certainly in inflammatory joint conditions. And superficial to that is you've got extensor digiti minimi, which the patient's going to wiggle their little finger and you can see it wiggling around just in that recess and just superficial to it. Okay?